I'm really bored, guys. So I'm literally gonna show you all my squishies. Firstly is this Nido cat. I forgot what it's called. Really cute. It's a really good one. Next is this one I got yesterday. One of my favourites. I'm just scared of it popping. Now for Talbot squishies. Another one I got yesterday. I don't want to take it out because then I won't be able to put it back in. This one. It has its own little bag. Another great one. Next is the Baby Nice Size. This is from the 2025 Advent Calendar. It's really good. It's just really firm. That's the only thing. Another one from the Advent Calendar. I took all the air out of it though. This Deflated Fox. Very fitting for me. This. I love sun squishies. This Boba, which is losing all its paint. Another one I'm scared of popping, but it's good. Next is the Nido Shaggy. Slightly firmer than the other ones for some reason. That's great, it just sticks together. I do have a yellow one, like a fake one that's slightly smaller than this, but it's in my coat pocket and I can't be bothered to go and get it. Little yellow mini fake Nido cat. Very good. Squishy fish. Little pink man. That's quite watery for some reason now. He's gotten really watery. A gold one. It had a net on it, but I cut it because it was wearing it down. Another one, but this one has the net on. I got both of them out of claw machine. This guy. This isn't really a squishy, but it was in my squishy bin. I found football. I have to go quick because I'm really running out of time to film this. But rice ones I made. Sausage dog. Santa one. Purple Nido gumdrop. Another one from a claw machine. Obviously, the air-filled Nidos from the Advent Calendar. The teeny weeny whale from the Advent Calendar. Great. Again, not a squishy, but it was in my squishy bin. It's a really good one, this one. A little squishy dinosaur I got at a fair. These sugar balls, like fake Nidos. There was a blue one, but I've lost it. Another fake Nido. It's really good. And that's it. Bye. I forgot that this one and the Nido 12 cube.